Jeep Wrangler Overland 2020 Petrol 1995 cubic centimeters. How to reset the service light. Press the start button twice to turn on the ignition. Using the buttons on the steering wheel, scroll up or down till you see the vehicle info option. Use the left and right arrows and scroll across to oil life. Press and hold OK to reset the oil life light back to 100%. Turn on and off the ignition to make sure the light has been reset. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.